Hi everyone! Today we're going to replace a battery of a smoke alarm, and the smoke alarm is called Brooks Australia smoke alarm. So the way you open this is like this. Can you see that? It says to remove push screwdriver into slot, that's the slot, and then push cover away. When you say push cover away, will be you have to slide it that way. All right, so let's try that. This one here, so we push this slot with the screwdriver and then slide. Yep, so we slide here and then that's it. So we just changed now the battery, and I don't know if you can see this nakita niyo pa? This, what do you call it, slots. So that's the thing that we have to push back, because when there's a groove here, or tawag dyan, like a hook, and here, if you can see, there's a like, I don't know what you call this, a ramp or something that blocks this bit here. So we have to push this up like that and then slide the smoke alarm, and you'll see it line up with this ones here, these slots here, and that one, and this would line up with the slots of the base. So that's how you change a battery of a smoke alarm with the brand Brooks Australia. This one, Brooks Australia. But before you do anything else, you have to turn off the power supply to this smoke alarm. You have to go to the switchboard and turn it off from the switchboard, so that you don't have any power on this smoke alarm before you change the battery. Alright, see you next time. Bye. Hope this video is helpful, and give it a thumbs up if it helped you, and see you guys next time.